How to change text color in notes on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can change your text color in your notes on iPhone. Now, what you're going to do is you are going to go over to your notes, and once you are in your notes, so let's say we're over here. Now, if you want to change your text for this, what you're going to be doing is you can pretty much go ahead on any text. Now, there are options to change font and everything like that from here. Let's say you want to change any font like italicize it, etc. But to change the color of it, what you can do is you can actually use a highlighter to change your text colors. So let's say I'm going to go with a subtle green. And once we do that, we're going to choose the highlighter. You're going to choose how much of a stroke you want. I'm going to go with the biggest stroke. And then what you're going to proceed to do from there is just add a highlight like this and add your text over it. Or if you want to, go ahead with something even better, you can write your texts in a pen form in any different color, just the way I have written super. You can go ahead and write anything like and you can write something like lion. Okay, so just like this, you can change your text colors on your notes in iPhone in the easiest way. Obviously, if you have the upper versions of iOS, like the iPhone 16 and above, you can simply use the Siri AI to change your text colors, but this is how you do it on the previous versions. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.